Looking to give your walls a makeover? Imagine walking into a room where the walls instantly grab attention, setting the tone for the entire space. Whether you're aiming for bold, modern statements or a subtle, timeless look, the right wallpaper can completely transform your home. Stick around as we explore the top wallpaper ideas that will elevate your walls and leave a lasting impression on anyone who steps into your space. Get ready to be inspired. Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Design Lounge, where we bring you the latest trends, tips, and tricks to elevate your home decor. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful yet underrated elements of interior design: wallpaper. Often overlooked, wallpaper is one of the quickest and most affordable ways to completely change the feel of a room. From subtle textures to bold, eye-catching patterns, the options are endless. Whether you're decorating your living room, bedroom, or even your kitchen, choosing the right wallpaper can add depth, warmth, and character to any space. So, if you're ready to transform your walls into works of art, make sure to stick with us for the best wallpaper ideas for stylish, modern homes. Wallpaper is often a forgotten element when it comes to home design, but it has the power to completely change the vibe of any room. Whether it's to add texture, color, or make a bold statement, choosing the right wallpaper can instantly elevate the aesthetic of your walls. In today's video, we're going to dive into the best wallpaper ideas for stylish home walls. From classic patterns to modern trends, we'll help you choose the perfect wallpaper for your space. Let's get started. The versatility of wallpaper. Wallpaper isn't just for covering bare walls. It's a powerful design tool. When used strategically, it can completely change the look and feel of a room. The versatility of wallpaper makes it ideal for any area of your home. For instance, in the living room, wallpaper can create a focal point, turning a plain wall into a piece of art. Whether it's a statement wall with a bold pattern or a subtle texture to complement other elements in the room, wallpaper can enhance your overall design scheme. In the bedroom, the wallpaper you choose can set the mood, calming tones for a peaceful retreat or vibrant hues to energize the space. Don't overlook other rooms either. In kitchens, you can go for washable wallpapers with fun designs that tie into the cooking and dining space. For bathrooms, moisture-resistant wallpapers are available in a variety of modern patterns, from nautical to geometric, adding character even in the most functional spaces. Trending wallpaper. Ideas for 2025. In 2025, wallpaper trends are all about creating a personal and immersive atmosphere in the home. Let's look at a few of the top trends that are making waves this year. First, nature-inspired designs are huge in interior design. Wallpapers featuring florals, greenery, or even abstract nature themes bring an organic feel to indoor spaces. These patterns not only bring a touch of the outdoors inside, but they also create a calming, serene environment that's perfect for any room. Next up, bold patterns are making a big comeback. Geometric shapes, stripes, and abstract designs can add structure and visual interest to a room. These eye-catching wallpapers work well in modern, industrial, and even boho spaces, depending on the design. Another rising trend is the use of textured wallpapers. These wallpapers mimic materials like wood, stone, or fabric, creating depth and richness in a room. Textured wallpaper is perfect for adding warmth to spaces that might otherwise feel flat or lifeless, such as small apartments or minimalist settings. Lastly, there's a growing demand for eco-friendly wallpaper options. Sustainable materials such as bamboo or recycled paper are being used in wallpaper production, allowing you to decorate with the environment in mind. These wallpapers not only look beautiful, but are also an eco-conscious choice for those seeking to reduce their carbon footprint. How to choose the right wallpaper for your space. Selecting the perfect wallpaper is not just about picking the prettiest design. It's about matching the wallpaper to the specific needs of the room and its overall design style. Here are some tips on how to make the right choice. Consider room size and light. Dark colors or bold patterns can make a small room feel cramped, while lighter hues and simple designs can open up the space. In well-lit rooms, you have more freedom to experiment with darker or richer colors. For rooms with little natural light, go for lighter shades to keep the room feeling airy and bright. Match wallpaper to your existing decor. The wallpaper should complement the furniture, curtains, and other design elements in the room. If your room already has a lot of bold features, go for a more subtle wallpaper, like a textured or neutral toned design. If the room is minimalist, you can use wallpaper with patterns that add character and intrigue without overwhelming the space. Style, consistency. If your home follows a specific theme, ensure your wallpaper aligns with that style. For example, Scandinavian interiors typically use minimalistic and muted designs, while more eclectic spaces allow for bolder and more contrasting patterns. Choose wallpaper that enhances the overall mood of your home rather than clashing with it. Wallpaper for different design styles call for different wallpaper choices. Let's look at how to choose the right wallpaper based on your interior design style. Modern and contemporary. For sleek, modern homes, go for wallpaper with clean lines and geometric patterns. Opt for bold designs that act as the focal point of a room, or choose a monochromatic design that complements the minimalist aesthetic. Traditional. In more traditional or classic interiors, floral wallpapers or damask patterns are timeless. These designs evoke elegance and sophistication. Rich textures like silk or velvet finishes work well in traditional settings, adding a sense of luxury. Industrial. For industrial-style homes, go for wallpapers that mimic the look of exposed brick or concrete. Textured wallpapers in muted tones of gray or metallic finishes work best in these spaces, providing depth without detracting from the raw, unfinished look of the industrial style. Bohemian. If you love a boho aesthetic, opt for eclectic wallpaper with bold prints, such as paisley, ethnic patterns, or hand-drawn illustrations. Vibrant colors, especially those in earthy tones like terracotta and mustard yellow, will enhance the bohemian vibe. Scandinavian. Scandinavian interiors often feature light, airy wallpapers in soft hues with simple geometric patterns or nature-inspired designs. The key is to keep things clean, fresh, and understated, aligning with the minimalist ethos. Final tips for choosing wallpaper. Once you've selected your wallpaper, remember that application is key. Make sure you prepare the wall properly and, if needed, hire professionals for installation to ensure the wallpaper is smooth, even, and long-lasting. Also, remember that wallpaper is an investment in your home's aesthetic. While it might be tempting to go for a cheaper option, opting for high-quality wallpaper ensures durability and a better overall finish. So, there you have it. Some of the best wallpaper ideas for creating stylish, beautiful walls in your home. Whether you prefer bold designs, subtle textures, or eco-friendly options, there's a wallpaper style for every taste and room. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more interior design tips and inspiration. Let us know in the comments which wallpaper idea you're most excited to try, or share your own wallpaper success stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.